Yo, we're out here in the S14. All right, guys, so we're out here today at Lowe's, and we're gonna show you guys how to make the cheapest front lip that you can possibly make that is not garden edging.
But it's gonna look good.
It's gonna look great too.
It's gonna be JDM as shit.
And we'll be at Poconos this weekend too, so if you guys like this lip and you want to come check it out in person, definitely swing by Poconos Raceway.
We'll be there all weekend.
We'll be there all weekend. We're gonna roll up Friday. Yeah, we're gonna have a bunch of stuff for you guys. So if you guys want to come out and say hi, get to see this cheap $10 lip and just hang out, have a good weekend.
It's also
definitely
come down. Events. I know that for a fact.
It really is, because now Cam's car runs good, my car runs good, and Ready Set Drift, they're gonna let us tandem hopefully. So we'll be killing it out at Ready Set Drift Poconos this weekend. Definitely check it out, guys. It's worth it.
It's definitely gonna be worth it. I'm fucking pumped for this weekend.
Me too. First thing you're gonna want to do for this cheap lip is get yourself going to your local Lowe's, because that's where you're gonna find everything you're gonna need for this job. So step one, get yourself to a Lowe's. Now you're gonna find the flooring aisle or carpeting area in your local Lowe's here, and you're gonna find this stuff. This stuff right here. This is what you need.
Basically, just look for a lip.
There's the item number. Should be a pile of this weird rubber looking stuff. You're gonna grab about probably 3 of these is what you're gonna want, just in case. Usually it takes 2, but to be safe, you're gonna want one extra.
I mean, they're only $3, so you know.
Yeah. So
pick $10 somehow.
Pick up a few of these, and that's pretty much all you'll need.
There's assorted colors. You can get gray
or
tan,
almond,
black, brown.
But now we got this stuff, you're gonna want to go find some screws. So that's what we're gonna do right now. All right, so you're gonna want to find some self-drilling screws just so you can get through the plastic easier.
You don't need them too big either. You don't want them too big.
Look at that, 3/4 of an inch. This is the perfect box right here. So you're gonna need this stuff right here, your vinyl baseboard, and now you're done at Lowe's.
You're set here. You can go back to your shop. You can start doing some Haggard shit. We're gonna slap this together and show you how JDM is gonna come out.
Absolutely. Once you leave the Lowe's, you're gonna come back to your shitty street hoonmobile.
No, dude, we can just do it right here. Fuck it, right
here.
Bash bar, dude.
You want to do it on the bash bar? As you guys see, there's no bumper on this to lip, but we are going to put a bumper on it. So now we're gonna head back to the shop, and we're gonna show you guys how to install this wonderful cheap lip. All right, so as you guys know, the S14 has been bumperless since I got it. So Kooky Tony from Kuro Lifestyle hooked me up with this bumper off one of their parts cars, and in order for me to put it on, I need to, if you can see this right here, where the fog light thingies go, there's like this weird enclosure thing. So pretty much we just cut it out because the bash bar runs through here, and these plastic things did not allow the bash bar to come in here. So we got this side cut up. Now we need to cut that side out, and then we can start attaching the lip. Now that we got the plastic cut out, I'm gonna just wash it because it did sit outside for a long ass time. It's really disgusting. It's got pollen all over it. And Cam, he's drilling the holes that we're gonna use to secure the bumper to the car. Look at that. Look at that paint glisten. No more pollen. Alright guys, so once you've gotten this far, we're gonna start attempting to install the lip here.
We're gonna try a couple different ways, see which way is the best.
Yeah, but you don't need to take the bumper off the car to do this.
If you're high enough, you can just get right, maybe just jack the front up.
Yeah,
and
definitely jack the front up.
If you have get a nice lip right down there.
I did this on my E36. You can look way back when on the channel, but I did this on my E36 with the bumper attached to the car. So for those of you guys that are freaking out, why is the bumper off? Don't worry, you can install this without taking your bumper off. So the first thing we're gonna do is just flip this thing over, and we're gonna start on the edge. I always start on the edge, and it's come out good. I've done this a few times. I did this on Rudnick's E30 as well, and it came out really good. So I'm gonna start here on the edge. I'm gonna pop my first screw in. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna kind of just figure out where I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
That looks good, right?
Yeah, I'll hold it right there for you.
And I'm gonna pop a self-tapper right there.
Easy enough.
All right, ready? Hold this nice and still. Okay.
There we go, dude.
There's your first one, and
then it's just continuous process up and down.
Like, this is what you're gonna do when you're gonna hit the turn. This is what's gonna happen. You're gonna come shape this in like that. You see how it's making this nice tight corner? That's what you want.
Just
you
try
want
to
this
get
to
it
be
nice
tight.
and symmetrical.
Yeah. Don't do it like this. Don't do it like that.
Yeah.
Just do it. Take it one screw at a time. You're gonna go up like probably up to here. Do it in like 5-inch, 6-inch gaps, however you really want to do it. But don't do them too close because you're gonna waste screws, and don't do it too far apart because then it's gonna get floppy. So now that we got the first screw in, I'm probably gonna put one right here, and then I'm gonna continue this lip out.
All right, so we got one side done, and so far she's looking sick as fuck, dude.
We got one half done. What I did was just cut it. That's the excess right there. All I did was just cut it in line with the middle so that the two ends can meet in the center. So as you can see,
so far she's sick as fuck.
That's a substantial lip right there. So for those of you guys that are lowered but not slammed, this is gonna give you that extra oomph to get your shit looking low as fuck.
Even if you're slammed and you want to put this on, it's flexible as shit.
Yeah, so when you bottom out, it'll just
exactly. It's like
flop.
a mud flap.
Yeah. So now we're just gonna do the other side. I'm gonna do it the same exact way as I did this side. I'm gonna start on the edge here. I'm gonna work my way in, and then when I hit the center, I'm just gonna cut the excess off so that they meet nice and clean right in the middle, and then we're gonna put it on the car, and hopefully it looks mad JDM. This is what the lip looks like fully installed on your bumper. As you can see, like I said, it's tall. It's a fucking huge lip. So now we're just gonna test fit this thing on here.
Looks mean.
How mean does that look, dude?
Mean. Hold it right. Someone want to hold it right there. I want to pop 2 holes right over here on the bumper so I can just, hold it exactly where it is.
This is how we do it, guys. This is the Haggard lip. Like, you can see it works. It makes your car look mad JDM, mad low. Here you have it. This is what the bumper and the lip looks like on the car. I must say, this is the sexiest the car has ever looked. I'm really excited now to be rocking this setup at Poconos this weekend because the car looks amazing. What do you think?
Dude, it looks JDM as fuck, dude. Look at this thing. What is it, $6 for this kind of lip, dude? Changes the whole aspects of the car, dude.
It literally looks like a different car.
I'm at a loss for words, I really am.
Literally looks like a different car. This is so sexy. This is so sexy. I'm so excited. I can't get over. I'm lost for words right now. I can't get over how good it looks. Like, for $9, you cannot beat this lip. I will tell you that right now. We only ended up using 2 pieces. I have a whole extra piece right here we didn't get to use. Doesn't matter. I don't know what to say. Let the car do the talking for itself. There you guys have it. That's the $9 lip. Like I said, guys, if you want to see this lip in person, if you want to come chill with us,
definitely come to Poconos.
We'll be at Poconos this weekend, the 6th and the 7th. We'll be shredding it with the minimum payment guys. We'll be shredding it with old school coupe, Skid Marks Garage. Everyone's gonna be there.
It's gonna be a
sick ass event.
Definitely fucking make it out there.
if you're gonna come chill at an event, come chill at this one.
Dude,
so
you gotta fucking pose up next to that bumper, dude. JDM, dude.
Oh,
hell
shit.
yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Dude. Oh god, it looks so good. Check it out, guys. I'll have a link in the description for some shirts. Definitely check out this stuff. Oh!
the game, y'all just commentate from the side. I'm like, oh God, oh my God. Everything I do, you know I do it for the squad. I'm like, oh God, oh my God.